So good morning everyone. Good morning. So my name is Inderjeet Singh and I'm a student of this institute, and today we are going to play a debate game in which my team is supporting the money and the forward team is supporting the time. So let's begin this.
So time also is very important in our life. Why? Just also because time also is not as a comeback in our life. So that's why, and time also is very important because without we cannot purchase like a.
But we can buy time with the help of money. Yes, money cannot buy happiness, but money can give you everything, whatever you want in your life, like bank
money
balance.
can give you that parents can money can give you everything. No, money cannot give everything. If you have time, so you will earn money. If you haven't have time, how can you earn money? And a cancer patient, how the cancer patient can earn
Sir,
money?
I
They
think
want time.
that money can earn anything, and people are living here just to earn money, and money is everything here, and people don't care about the time when you have the money, and when you have money you can just buy anybody's time when you become an entrepreneur.
Sir, but don't have the time. How can you how can you earn money? By the time you have the choice to earn the money. By the time you can earn the money by the.
But the simple thing is that right now we having a money, so definitely we don't want to earn the money, because right now we having a money, so definitely while the money we can do whatever we want to do, because right now the people having a lot of the money, they can do whatever they want to do, just like the business.
Sir,
and
you are the
so
mention that you can do whatever from the money, but you know that also is childhood time you can do purchase like a. Childhood time you can do purchase from the money. No. So that is a time also is not as a comeback. So we are the playing like a debate game. So that's why we cannot purchase like a this game also, because time also is very important in our life.
So, sir, I think that money is really important and everyone needs it. There's a reason that why people needs it, and there's a reason that there's only 1% people who have
You
that
are
much.
speaking here now. How you had purchased? You are speaking by money, not you are purchased by your time. If you will not spend your time in any kind of thing, so you will not learn any kind of thing. You are nothing behalf of time. Your parents, you are everything. If your parents will not with you, that's
But if
you cannot purchase.
you are here
money
because
with
of
your
money,
parents.
if you don't have money, why will you here? You pay 6,000 rupees that you will here.
Ma'am, I have also time. That's why I'm here. I'm here to learn in the English while I'm spending the time. If I don't have the time, why am I here? I have time, so that's why I'm here. The value of the time is much higher than the money. If you
But
don't have
it's
the time,
not
how
like
can you earn
that,
the money?
brother. I think you are in the dilemma right now. It's not like that. If you're having a money, so definitely you can do so many things. Like if you want to learn something, so definitely by the money you can do. By the money
Sir,
you can
listen
learn
to
something.
me,
By
that
the money
first
you
of-
can eat the food also. Right now, if you're having a money, so
Sir,
definitely you
listen
can
to me.
eat.
First of all, I am also is doing a job, so that's why you know that also I am also is earning the money. But my mom also is say that you are taking my money, you are giving a money, but you are not giving like any kind of a time. So that's why, because I do not consume like a time and 1 hour and 2 hours.
So
with my
sir,
mom.
sir, the thing is that you have time and you are very free. And if I have money, then I can buy you and do whatever I'd like to do with you. So the thing is that I can become an entrepreneur and can let you do my
How
work.
can you be an entrepreneur? Do you have any kind of idea? You don't have any kind of idea. I will give you 10,000 rupees. Can you make your English like a foreigner? You cannot make it because you don't have any kind of sense and you don't have time. You have money, you can buy. You cannot buy any kind of everything. You can buy only some kind of food which have time to grow.
But why are you learning English? To earn money? Why are you learning English? To only earn the money. We all are here to earn money, because of that's why we are learning English. So first of all, get knowledge about
Ma'am, we are not here to like earn money. We are here to like learn English, because English is the international language. We have to learn it because if we have the English language, we communicate to the other people. That's not the reason we are
The
coming
simple
here.
thing is that by the English you can communicate the foreigner people, but how you will go in the foreigner? They will not come front of you. Just talk to me. It's not like that. If you are having a knowledge, if you are having a money, so definitely you can go the foreigner. Then you can talk to them. If by the money you can go there, by the time you cannot go there, because that by the
Sir,
money
suppose
you
an
can
example
earn.
that also is when you do not have like a time. So what you will do? Any example that, like suppose an example that you have like a lot of the money. So suppose you do not have a time. So that how you can spend your money?
So sir, the thing is that the poor people who we will see in the street, they have lots of time and they don't. People don't value them. If I have money, then people
So
value my time.
Who is value yourself? No one giving you respect. You have a lot of money, but I am not giving you respect. So how? If you
People
have
give
time,
respect
I am
only.
not giving you
People
respect.
give respect only the one who have money. People don't respect the person who have time. So first of all,
People
clear your-
don't respect the people. The people don't respect the who has the money. People respect the who has a good heart and the who has a knowledgeable. People don't respect your money. People just use your money and just throw you. Just
Sir,
throw you.
it's not like that. If you're having a good heart and the so on kind of thing, so definitely it's not like that. If you're having a money, so definitely the people always come in front of you and they will talk to you. Even right now, if you want to eat something, so definitely firstly you need the money. If you want to go somewhere, so definitely at that time you need the money. If you want
Okay,
to
sir.
go,
Suppose
if
an
you
example that suppose you are saying that you can do purchase anything also from the money, because suppose an example that you do not have like a time and like for earn the money, so that's why what you will do. Suppose first of all,
Sir,
if
just
you-
give me example. You see the laborer, they are doing work for what? For time or just money? So everybody needs money and everyone wants money, not time, because we have all that.
So you were saying that you want food. So how you will get by the time? Do you know about Rabi, Kharif, that kind of crops? It grow by that time. You will not get food by you are paying.
I think you all are in the dilemma. I think you all are in the dilemma. I think, sir, right now you are doing some of the job. So definitely, if I have money, so definitely I can throw the money in your face. So definitely you will come in my home, and whatever I will say to you, definitely you will do. And
Sir, by the
right now
money-
you are doing that kind of thing.
Sir, by the
Right?
money you can also purchase a degree. Why are you going to school? Why are you spending your money? Why are you spending your time? If you want to knowledge, you have to spend your time. By the money you can also purchase you can set a degrees. Why are you not purchasing the degrees?
But billionaires prove it wrong. That degree doesn't matter. What matter is most skills. If you throw money on skills, you will definitely got
Ma'am,
some skills.
I want to listen your cut your point, because if you are saying that you have like a lot of the money, so you can do purchase like a degree, diploma, like.
So sir, I want to come to you first. That you said that to grow a crops you need time, but it also take money. So where do you will find the money? If you don't have money, then how will you grow the crops? Even the people who have much more money, they are earning the money from the money, investing by them. So that's why I see that money can buy the time. Time is very useless. All people
But
have time.
sir, you are nothing behalf of time. If you don't have time, so what will you do? In our trading, in our money, so you want time to trade up and up. It become 30 or 20 years to upgrade your money. Means if you want to make money, so you have to wait by time. So without time you cannot make money. And you are saying about you have money, so everyone can talk. I am not talking to you. You don't have money.
Even right now you are talking to me, brother. Right now you are talking to me and you are telling about the like trading kind of thing. So definitely if you want to trade something, so definitely firstly you need the money. You don't need the time. You cannot spend your time in the trading line. You will spend your money. By that you can do. And right now if you want to go washroom, so definitely at that time also you need the money, because right now
Sir, by the money
people-
you can also trade. Without the time you cannot trade. If you want to trade, you have to spend your whole day in a trade. By that time you can achieve something good. By the money you can also just purchase things. But by the time
But you can give money to someone who can take care of your trading and all. You don't waste time. You don't need to time on that. कि पूरा दिन you will waste your time the whole day.